The prototype of Geely LEVC's first pure electric MPV model L380 has left the assembly line. The tool is built based on the domain-oriented architecture S-Way platform. Flexible space supports adjustments from 3 to 8 seats. Judging by the current progress, the new car will be officially launched within the year. The 380 of the L380 is derived from the world's largest wide-body aircraft, so the overall shape of the new car is relatively square, and the front end of the car is short, which maximizes the use of space and gives the impression that it is a car. Specifically, the front of the new MPV uses a crossover-type light strip to expand the visual width, and the headlights are placed below, which combines with the dual-color body to create a good sense of fashion. The rear of the MPV is also equipped with full-length taillights, and the radioactive patterns on both sides are also well recognized. In the declaration information, the length, width and height of the new car are 5316/1998/1940 mm, respectively, and the wheelbase is 3,300 mm. At the bottom left is a X space and the brand's Chinese name is a Geely LEVC. S-Way architecture supports the development of 3 types of models: medium, mid-high, and high-sitting. At the same time, great efforts have been made to make air conditioning flexible and changeable. The new car has a stepless space of 1.9 meters under the second and third rows, and the last row can be folded and stored on the floor. In this way, the luggage compartment space is increased to 163 liters. It offers a monochrome body, 4 styles of wheels and 6 and 8 seat layouts. In terms of power, the single-engine version of the new car is expected to have a maximum power of 200 kilowatts, and the twin-engine version is expected to be released later. In terms of battery life, it is equipped with CATL's triple lithium battery pack, and its specific capacity is yet to be announced. Models under S-Way architecture offer 73 to 120 kilowatt-hour battery packs and provide a cruising range of up to 600 kilometers. In terms of suspension system, the new car adopts double ball-pin McPherson struts at the front and high-load multi-link independent suspension at the rear, equipped with a combination of CDC and air spring suspension. Judging by the appearance and location diversity of the L380, it has 2 characteristics: business and commercial vehicle.